Hi, I'm Damien from Magaya Customer Support. Did you know that Magaya software helps you with more than just your logistics operations? It also helps you with your customer service by giving you a way to manage your customer information. The first step is adding your customer's profile, either one by one or importing a list. The video shows you how to import a list of customers using the import wizard. First, we'll see a best practices example, and then we'll walk you through the import wizard step by step. Let's look at the customer profile in Magaya to see how the fields in the profile become the columns in your spreadsheet, so we can reduce the chances of error during your import process. A customer profile in Magaya has many fields such as the name, email, primary contact person's first and last name, phone number, and more. The columns in your list view can display the information in these fields as shown by these columns here. You will need to format your list before importing it so it matches the columns in Magaya, which are identified by these column headers. Of course, you can select different columns than the ones shown in this example. Later, when importing, you can choose to import column headers or not. To see an example, I filtered my list and exported a few customer profiles so we can see them in a spreadsheet. Each customer profile is on its own line and will be a record in the spreadsheet. Why are we showing you an exported file first? We recommend exporting a sample profile before importing so that you can verify the formatting to reduce errors later. Please note, if you're importing your customer list from QuickBooks, separate the different types of entities such as vendors from customers. These entity types each have their own list under the Magaya Maintenance folder. In this example, we're only importing customers. Now look at the spreadsheet of profiles I exported. Note the column headers on the top. These match the columns I want. You need to format your list to match the columns you want. Now that we covered the profile and columns, let's import a list. I created a list of customer profiles to import into my Magaya. The list is the source file. Go to the customer list, click Actions, and import. The wizard opens. It can import CSV or text file or XML. Make your selection here. We're importing a CSV file. For information on XML, see the knowledge base. Remember the column headings? If your source file has headings for the columns, decide if you want to import them or not. Check this box to tell the wizard to ignore the headers instead of treating them as a record. You need to know how your source file separates the columns, such as by comma, semicolon, or double quotation marks. Then select that delimiter in the wizard. Click Next, preview the data. Correct any column headers that don't match the data by clicking the headers and selecting from the drop-down menu. An asterisk means the column can't be imported, such as notes. You'll have to add them later. If you have a blank column, select Not Used. Click Next. In the Import Confirmation screen, you'll see a list of what will be imported from the source file. To preview a line, double-click it. If there are any errors, you can export the errors to review them, fix them, and import again. Then, click Next to go to the results screen. Click Finish. You will see the imported profiles in your customer list. That's the import wizard. The wizard can import more than just customer details. It can also help you upload other types of data such as a list of vendors or transactions such as warehouse receipts. See the knowledge base for a detailed how-to article on the import wizard, including how to prep your data and a checklist of some common formatting errors to watch for. To see how to add a customer manually into your system, see our video, Add a Customer. Be sure to see our other videos to help you get the most from Magaya. Thanks for watching.